definitely has been presented in notes and everything else that you guys need. The main important thing, guys, regardless if this is rational exponents or not, one of the most important rules was what we call the power to product rule. And what the power to product rule stated, actually, I'm sorry, before we get to the power to product rule, the first thing we talked about was negative exponents. We don't want to have negative exponents. The first thing we want to do is rewrite our negative exponent as positive. So to do that, I have to rewrite this whole expression over 1. So I rewrite this as 16x to the 1/3 y to the 3/4 raised to the 4th power. Now, what the power to product rule tells us is when I have a power, Brianna, or a product raised to a power, I need to distribute that to each and every one of those terms. Okay? So now, what this becomes is 1 over 16 to the 4th power, x to the 1/3 power raised to the 4th, and y to the 3/4. Yeah, did I say 2? To the 1/3. Now, do you guys remember what the power rule stated? Which said whenever you have an exponent raised to a power, what do you do with them? You multiply them. So I do need to use a calculator for 16 to the 4th power, which is 65,536. What is x to the what's 1/3 times 4? You just multiply across, guys. That's going to be to the 4/3. And then the y, the 4's divide out, and I'm just left with y cubed. And that's it. Done. Fine.